Alright guys, we're back. It's about 45 minutes later. Lots of cleaning on the hole. Same thing on this side, lots of cleaning. There's about 2 right here and 1 right there. That's just mud and dirt dried up around the spark plug. You can see those are the spark plug right there. So there's a mud and dirt buried around this spark plug right here. I can't put my socket in because of the mud, dry mud, so I had to chisel and vacuum and spray some air in to blow everything out. So there's only 2 plugs right here left, and all the rest is there's holes on them. It's gonna show you guys the number 1 spark plug here. It's been loose already. I had to take out this power steering bracket right here so I could access my tools in to get the plugs. Look at this. Wow. Look how bad that is. The only thing that thing leaks is from the valve cover or the head gasket. So that oil been sitting there for years, I believe. And this is the number 6 right here. This is where the misfire, having a problem. There you go. Look at that one. Number 6 plugs, misfire, detect. Lots of misfire. All of them is all the same. All the same plugs. There's no electrodes anymore. Looks really, really bad. Clean up all the holes. Spray with air in there and vacuum it out. Make sure it's nice and clean, and we'll put a brand new one in. So I got all the brand new plugs installed already. Same thing on the other side. I'm in a rush here. Just want to get this thing done. A guy's coming in about half an hour. So torque to spec all the plugs. Ballpark is around 12 to like 15 foot-pounds. It's mostly on the spark plugs with the aluminum head. So that's what I did. I took that to spec. And then now we're gonna install this coil. I clean all the boots nice and clean with the brake cleaners. Alright guys, so this is the 4th one, brand new. Okay, it will go in here, line it up. There you go, just like that. I put the connector back on there. Time crunch. I just went crazy on this side. Everything is all installed, coil, all the plugs, all the connector. I got the power steering bracket installed as well. Same thing on this side. Make sure double check all the wiring harness, the connector are all connected to the same area. Okay, double check everything. So all right, let's go in the cab. Let's go delete that code, and then let's go start the engine. All right, make sure to crack the garage. I got a hose in the exhaust. We're gonna start this up. All right guys, here we go. Not bad. It's a lot quieter now. No shakiness. It looks good. Runs great. Look at those plugs. Wow. It was just a spark plug that needs to fix and replace. No engine lights on. Looks good. All right, here we go. Misfire detect, no. That's a good sign. Duration, spark plug, perfect. Right on. See, number 1 and number 6 was the one that misfiring. They're on range, they're on spec. There you go, misfire, numbers 0. Perfect. No more misfire, guys. That's a fix. It's a fix. All right, let's go for a drive. All right, guys. Been driving. How long have you been driving, Jassy?
I don't know.
Jassy's in a truck 5 minutes, 10 minutes. You can see on the dash, engine light is not showing up anymore. It's a fix. It's a fix, guys. I'm just gonna keep driving. I called the guy to come pick it up. He's about 20 minutes out away from the city. So he's coming in. He's gonna call his cousin to give him a ride to come here and then pick up the truck. But to me, it's gonna be a happy guy having this truck back to him with no engine light and no misfire. He finally can open up the throttle on this beast and off you go. He told me that he hauls something all the time for his job or something like that, but who knows if that's his side job or daily job. But he's gonna be happy bringing this truck back to him and get back him to work, and me and Jasmine are going home. So see you guys again next time. Make sure to subscribe. And Jasmine,
Peace out.
all right, there you go. Good night. See you guys again on the next video.